Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel again. Sorry for all that tika and all because I attended puja home. By the way, I'm following the rules of lockdown, and this video is gonna be a little different and interesting and okay, a little special because I'm gonna be talking about dry skin type in this video. So because okay, here is a little disclaimer that I am not a dry skin person at all. My skin is combination type. My T-zone is usually oily and rest of the face is normal. And in summers I get really oily, and in winters I get normals. Okay, so my skin type is like that, like normal oily combination. I'm not a dry skin person. I'm literally not a dry skin person. So because I have knowledge, I've done a course, I have knowledge for dry skin also. I studied dry skin also, so I can tell you about dry skin because I have a knowledge and just I'm splurging that. And so I'm gonna be talking about some products. Some products are not available, like I have not purchased dry skin products because yeah, I'm oily skin person and my entire family is oily skin, so I have not purchased. But yeah, I have some products to show you, so you can get the idea of dry skin, which products will suit you best for dry skin. But I'll be completely very honest, I'm not a dry skin person, so yeah, that's it. But the products which I'm going to show in the entire video, that is for dry skin. I mean, I'm not showing a fake product like this is not a dry skin product, then also I'm showing you. That's not I'm gonna do because yeah, I can't okay, it look bad, that's why. So let's jump into the video and see which are products for. To start your skincare routine, we use face wash. Sorry, unfortunately I don't have face wash for dry skin. I've searched, but yeah, I can't find a dry skin face wash in my wardrobe, in my okay, so I can't find. So I have a cleanser. This is the body care cleanser. This is a fresh cucumber cleansing milk. This is very good for dry skin because the consistency is creamy. Like I can't show you, maybe like okay, if you have idea. Oh, smell is nice. The consistency is creamy, so it will not gonna make your skin even more dry because this is the cleansing milk, and cleansing milk is supposed to gently clean your face. So if you are confused about face wash to use for dry skin, you can consider a cleansing milk, any cleanser milk, because it's the consistency in milk, creamy consistency. So dry skin people is just cleanse very gently, very mild, very like softly. Your skin feels so soft after this. So you can consider a cleanser and face wash. I'm sorry, I don't have any face wash right now to show you for dry skin because I don't use. So I will link in the description box some of the dry skin cleansers for face wash, sorry, so you can check it out and I'll be very genuine. Okay, so the next product is a toner which you use. I have the Biotic Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. It's in the variant honey. I have this one in cucumber variant also, that's behind here. So this is very nice for dry skin. Actually, I bought it for my mother or my sister, maybe because they suddenly start facing very dry skin issue like flakiness and all. So I give this to them and they were they were very happy after using this product. So it's very good for dry skin. Actually, I've tried on someone and that review that came from them is really nice. That's why I'm suggesting you. That's why I'm suggesting. There's a reason behind why I'm suggesting you this toner, because it has honey in it, and honey is supposed to give moisture to your face to dry and flakiness. After you wash your face, you feel dryness. So this toner will calm you down for that. So you can consider this one. This is really nice for this is really nice for dry skin. So just give it a try. It's beautiful. Moisturizers. Okay, so I have the Biotic. I have a lot of Biotic products. I have the Biotic Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. The consistency of this one is like lotion. It's not a thick cream which make your skin oily, which we hate during summers. We hate. Even dry skin person, if you apply too much creamy thing to your face, you feel a lot of greasiness, which we don't want. I hope you don't want also. So this one is really nice because this consistency is lotion, so it will moisturize your face, it will not make your skin greasy, it will hydrate your face because of the ingredient that they have aloe vera, I think. Okay, I think they have something bio mud honey gel, I don't know. Okay, so by the way, this is really nice for dry skin, so you can consider this one. It's beautiful. It's moisturize skin, doesn't make your skin oily, greasy, so it has something, and it's also very affordable. All the products I'm showing you is are very affordable, so try this. Even sometimes, like in December, January, I also feel very dryness, and I use this, and I was happy. Like, this works for dry skin. I've seen the results. So yeah, you can consider this one. Next product is sunscreen, which we can't and we should never forget. I have two sunscreens over here. One is the Joy Hello Sun Sunblock and Anti-Tan Lotion. This has extreme protection UVA, UVB filters with papaya and saffron. And papaya is a nice ingredient for nice fruit for dry skin, so it moisturizes. Okay, so it has written prevents, protects, and nourish is the word we wanna look for. So it is SPF 40. It has SPF 40, so huge protection, good sunscreen, good for dry skin, and yeah, it prevents skin darkening, and it's also anti-tan lotion. Lot of benefits. So this is amazing. And look at this. I've used this so much, so you know how I like this. The reason why I stopped using this product, because the consistency is slightly creamy. I prefer more gel like products for myself, because I'm a oily skin person, so I go and I face sun, and then my makeup and my cream is like melting, so I stopped using this. I only use this in winters, so yeah, that's why it's good for dry skin. You are a dry skin person, and how can you forget lip balm? Sorry for the too much excitement. My favorite is the Nivea Blue Lip Balm, because okay, it's over. It's like only this much is remaining, and this is over. I use this a lot, like it's empty. So this is good for dry skin, because I personally have extremely dry lips, because I use liquid lipstick. I apply liquid lipstick right now. I'm applying liquid lipstick, so I apply liquid lipstick every day, because I have to go out daily, and I need to apply lipstick, because I'm in that field and I'm doing a job, so I need to apply lipstick. And my personal preference and my personal favorite is liquid lipsticks, because the stay is very good. So my lips really get dry, extremely dry, and this is the one lip balm I can rely on. Okay guys, that's it for the video, and that's all I want to say about dry skin, because the video is too long. I'm so sorry, I talk a lot and I'm feeling hot. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of content there. And that's it. I shall see you in my next video. Bye, take care. I will see you with amazing content. By the way, oily skin video is coming. In my previous video I talked about acne prone skin. If you missed that video, I'll just link in the I button. And in the next video I'm gonna be talking about oily skin, so stay tuned. If you have oily skin and watching this video, stay tuned. Wait, I will post another video about for oily skin. So yeah, and bye.